Well, we have the new up-pipe muffler on. It sounds much quieter than it did before. I'd say it's at least 30% quieter. It's kind of cold, but we'll give it a little rev. It's Memorial Day. God bless America. But that's two things you don't see together very often. So I measured the turbo the other day. The front side is 52 mil, the back side's 49 mil. The new tile wastegate has been great, man. I had an eBay one and it started rusting closed because of the moisture that builds up in the exhaust system when it sits. She's doing good. Yeah, boy. Give it one more rev now that she's got a little temperature in it. Good old nitrous to help it spool. I just put a purge kit on this bad boy the other day too. I need to fill the bottle again though. Alright guys, just figured I'd give you a little update of what's going on. I really hope my new Insta360 gets here soon so I can actually do some cool footage. I bought one of the invisible selfie sticks and stuff like that so we can actually add it to the back of the car and have one of those fancy rear view overhead shots like it's in a video game or something. Oh, my dog don't like the car. Come on girl, I'll let you in.